name's Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do this repairability test on this roof. I got the insurance approved roof snake with me to perform this repair. You guys are currently paying for 7 windblown shingles. As you can see, there's a little bit more than that because there is also some on the 2nd story on the back and then also on the other 1-story part. But let's go ahead and get started. First things first is I got to unseal these shingles, seal the ones on top of that, and then the ones on top of that to get these nails out so I can perform this repair on this one right here. Obviously all these need to be done, but this is where our test will start. So this one is already unsealed, so we're good there. I'm going to start, this one's actually unsealed as well. I'm going to start right here. Alright, so this is where it starts because this is a 3-tap shingle. So I need to go over this way to start unsealing. Alright, so now that all this is unsealed, I have to unseal this one because there's also another nail line. Now that I got this unsealed, I'm going to start right here to get this nail out, going underneath with my roof snake. That has came out. Next one is right here. Oh, if you want to go ahead and take a look. So this has already popped out and you can see it's creased the shingle right there. So I continue more. Next one is right here and it's already starting to take, okay, all right.
There it is.
This has already broke out as well.
Oh.
Take a look there. Has completely ripped this shingle trying to get this nail out.
In
This
half.
has already
Yep.
proved that this is not repairable. Go ahead and take a look at it from this angle right here. Alright, continue to get this nail out. Alright, so now that I got the first nail line of nails out, there's a second nail line. So I'm going to lift this up again to see what I am doing. Gotta get this nail out right here. That one has came out.
Wow.
Next one is here. All right, go ahead and take a look here. Has completely cut this shingle right here. So, try to see if we can get it. Now we got this one over here. Alright, you can just hear how that has totally ripped this whole entire shingle.
Wow, yep.
Again, this is not repairable. Go ahead and take a look at it from this angle up here, what it just did. Now that we've got that, got this one right here. All right.
Wow. Yep.
Okay, so in the process of trying to take out this one shingle, it has damaged 2 to 3 rows of shingles in that process. You can see how this has totally just torn the shingle. This roof is not repairable. that. So, I'm going to show you guys. So this is the shingle that we're trying to repair, and you can see how it's totally ripped it up in the process of trying to get these nails out. You can also see the damage that has done below on this, absolutely destroying these shingles in the process. This roof is not repairable. We're going to go ahead and tarp this up and send this off to you guys.